What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Moja Ashiki, and I'm back with another video. If you want to see how I achieve this style, continue watching. Okay, so we're going to get straight into the video. I'm going to start off by showing y'all the process of coloring the hair. I did use 4 boxes of each color, which was red, fire, and magenta in the video, but off camera, I did go back and do red and magenta. So you're going to need 40 volume developer, some clips, some combs, a mixing bowl, a brush, and some water. Here's her bundles. She did have a 16-inch closure, LOL, and then 18, 20, 22 bundles. So you've already seen me spray the water on the hair, and I'm brushing the hair now. So we're going to brush the hair and spray it down with water just so that you can detangle the hair. And then here you're seeing me put the two colors together. After I put the 2 colors together, you'll see me mix it with developer, and then I'll let the video show you the rest of how I did with my first, well, all 3 bundles, but you'll see me do it on one in a slower motion. So when coloring your bundles, you want to start from the bottom and then work your way up. And once you get towards the top, you want to make sure you open up the hair, which you'll see me do after I comb it out right here. I'll open up to make sure that I didn't miss any spots. And after I finish on this side, I'll flip it over. Once you flip it over, you'll repeat the same process with starting from the bottom, combing it through, and then opening the top. Once you finish coloring the whole bundle, you'll put the bundle in some foil so that it can process. So after coloring all the bundles, I'll work on the closure. I'm going to start off with the same process as spraying the water on the hair, brushing it through. With the closure, you want to take your time. You can use a comb or you can use the application brush to get to the roots. I did both. And you want to make sure that the hair or the lace is protected. Some people use Vaseline and different other things. I just put my lace on top of some foil, and then you're just going to part each section. You can't really just go through this one because the color will bleed onto the lace. With this, you do the same exact process. Comb it on or comb it through, comb at the roots, and then you'll put it in some foil. After you see me put this in the foil, I left the color on all the bundles in the closure for about an hour and 15 minutes. And then I wash the color out, which you'll see in just a second. Okay, now that I am washing the bundles in the closure, I did use clarifying shampoo the first time, and then the second time I used Iso Plus. It left the hair very soft. I didn't really add any products into the hair, and it was still flowy, which you'll see once you get to the end. Just keep on watching and you'll see how this all worked out. The next process after washing the hair, you'll see me actually putting the wig together. I know it's in a weird angle and you're probably like, why you got this by the TV, girl? I didn't have my wig stand with me this weekend, so I had to use my best friend's, and the only place I could put it was on the TV, but it's all right. The wig still came out the same and it still looks good. And if you're in the Atlanta area or anywhere and you want to send me bundles to get you a wig made, I only make wigs at this moment for $60, $25 for the install, and $45 plus for color. If you want to, get your hair done, make sure that you click the link down below to go to my Instagram. DM me with any questions. Do y'all see that color, that shine? So now that the wig has been done, my client is here the next day to get her hair done. I'm going to start off with the same braid pattern that you would use if you were doing a closure sew-in. You'll see me put the wig on in just a moment. So here you'll see me blow drying. I'm just blow drying to make sure that the hair is absolutely straight. No kinks, no curls. And then right here I am laying the lace down with Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond is what I use. I do use the elastic band to make sure that the hair melts into the skin. Color is great. But yes, I do use Got to Be to make sure the color is melted into the skin. We're going to add a couple curls into this hairstyle, or into the hair, my bad. Couple curls into the hair, comb them out later, and she's going to be mom. She's going to be ready to go out. Most times I do style the wigs before I give them to my client, but this time I decided to make a YouTube video, so I actually styled it when she got here. now that we have all the curls, we can take off that elastic band. And you see me pulling up this little piece to get the closure to look like a frontal. You want to make sure that you always cut off those little corny pieces. So here I'm going to be doing her baby hairs. I did play around with it. You see me do it about 2 times, and then I finally get it where I want them to lay. So I'm just going to let you watch. We are coming to the end, so I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please share this video with everybody. Whoever you want to send it to, make sure you show them. And to make sure that you or to make the lace look more like scalp, I did cover up a little bit, but I was putting makeup on it. And here's the end product of the curls. Once again, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end, and thank you for watching.